everybody, how are you? It's Adelina here, and today we're going to do a draw with a sparkle teacher. This is kind of like created off one of my old teachers, so I hope you like it, and why don't we get started? And like I always do, give myself a nice curve, go across, and copy that, and then, like, we do, and then connect. Super easy, super nice. And then we're going to do the eyes. Those are nice big circles. And I'll copy that on the other side. And then we're going to bring these eyes to life. So we're going to do 2 little circles like this. And a nice curved line at the bottom. So now we're going to shade it in. And then once you finish that, do the little line to the bottom right there. And then just copy that on the other side. Shade in the top and lines at the bottom. Now we're going to go and we're going to do her lashes. Full lashes and a curved brow. She's a nice little teacher, so give her a smile. And then her hair is going to be in a tight, nice little bun. So I'm going to give myself a point and go up and connect. Like that. So I'm going to go up higher to about maybe here. Oh, first we need to draw ears too. Nice little curved lines, maybe some details in between, and then a nice little earring. Same on the other side. Details. Oh, let me make this a little bit bigger. Details, and then now we're going to finish her hair. So I'm going to start a point, part line, 2 little other part lines, and then from this point I'm going to go down and just tuck it in. And then tuck it on the other side. We're going to do her buns just super quickly because we're right up here and we don't need to worry about anything else. So you just do a little bubble and then a nice tight bun. And maybe to give it a little bit more dimension, basically. We'll do 2 nice lines to show the hair packed in. That, something like that. Now we're going to give her a body. I'm just designing a cute little body for her. So this is kind of how it's going to be. So give her a little neck. I'm going to go out for the shoulders. So now we're going to give her a little collar. And 2 points. Those are where her armpits are going to be. And then you're going to give her a slight angle line. Like that. And then we're going to make it kind of cute. So I'm just going to do some nice 3-way things. And then we're going to go about right here. And you're going to go straight in to that. And then we're going to copy that. And it's okay to probably have it like that, and then we're going to connect it at the bottom. You want it to meet about there, so that's her little shirt. That's her cardigan. And then we're going to connect this into here. And do a little in between. A little bit more dimension. And then she's gonna be wearing some pants, just super easy, nice, simple pants. So we're gonna give myself an angle line right here, and then straight pants. I was gonna think about giving her a skirt, but I thought that this would just look a little bit better and be a little bit easier with her top. But yeah, I hope this inspires you to make your very own Draw with a Sparkle teacher. Oh, and I'm also gonna do a little heart. because she's a very nice teacher. She's very nice, super simple. And I'm going to make this a little bit straighter because it's always a little bit harder with Sharpie because wherever you leave me. Anyway, so now comes her shoes. You're just gonna make it a little flare out and then connect it. And then her pants do end. Give her a little pant line for pants. This one you're gonna do the same thing. And a pant line. So that is it. That was her body. That's how it really looks. It's just the camera's super close. Anyway, so let's go back up to here. One arm is going to be super simple. It's just gonna be like, let's give it a little bit more detail on this. So just some nice little like this. Nice little like Humpty Dumps. Anyway, so this arm's just gonna be kind of flared out, and we're just gonna draw a little watch on it because teachers need watches, right? So a little circle, and then your two little lines of the watch. Maybe I can even go a little. Alright, so this arm is going to be holding a piece of chalk because we're going to do a board behind her. So, same thing. You're just going to kind of flare it out. And then you're going to draw her fingers. And then right about there, you're going to draw a little thing like that, basically. And then her thumb's going to go up. And you're just going to kind of draw her about right there, pretty much. Alright, I think that is it for that arm. Alright, so now we're going to go in for the board. The board is going to be like anything else. I'm just going to use my notebooks, but we're going to use it as a ruler just so I can get mine perfectly straight. So then right above it, about right here, I'm going to copy that. So that's going to be what it's going to look like. Let me just make this line a little bit thicker. And then we're going to draw some more chalk. Like that. I'm going to draw an apple sitting. Like that. Something like that. So then now we're going to connect the sides. This you don't really need something for. Just going to connect it. And then on this side, we're going to start with this side first. We're going to draw a straight line, maybe just a little bit further. I'm going to draw a straight line up. See, up. Draw it a little bit higher. Then up there, I'm going to stop. Okay, that's good. And then we're going to draw across to where her bun is. Right there. And then continue from the other side. You don't want to run into her bun, do you? Not that right there. It's level with the other thing. We're going to bring it down. About right there. And then we're going to do a straight line down. Like that. Oops. See? And then from there, we're going to give it some more dimension. I mean, this thing needs dimension. So I'm going to show that it's real and do another one next to that. Make it look a little more 3D. Then we'll do it for this side. And then from there, we're going to go and on this side, just to give it a little bit more detail, we're going to do a simple problem. And why don't we just do a simple, super easy problem, 1 plus 1. And then we'll write her name over here. Her name is going to be Miss Emmerich, because that was actually my teacher's name. So you can name her whatever you want, or you don't even have to do this. And a little, and because we always almost forget these, because this is my jaw with a sparkle, I'm going to add just a little tiny star, maybe up by her name, but right here. Like there. So here we go. It is my Draw with a Sparkle teacher. I hope you like it, and make sure to look out for other videos. Bye!